you all are fine and safe at home. Students, have you done your yesterday's home task? I have written the questions on the board. I told you to copy in your classroom. Okay students, if not, if you did not copy the question and answers from the board, we have shared the lesson number 1 and lesson number 2 question and answers in your WhatsApp group. Please follow that. Write the notes in your classroom. Okay, write the question and answers in your classroom. Okay students, so let's start the today's topic. What is today's topic? Let's talk. Okay students, let's talk. What you have to do? Take out the page number 26. Everyone should take out the page number 26. Okay. Complete this piece of conversation. This conversation between the teacher and you. Okay. Why did not you come to school yesterday? What teacher is asking? Why did not you come to school yesterday? You, I'm sorry, I did not come because I got up very late. See students, in conversation you, they have given a dots. Yes or no? So what you have to write in that dots? I did not come because okay, you conversation is there, no? So what you have to write? I did not come because. Yes, students, teacher did not dash alarm clock. Did not dash alarm clock. Did not you set the alarm clock? Did not you set the alarm clock? This is the second fill in the blank. This is the first fill in the blank. You. Since the day before yesterday was Diwali, I went to bed late. I went to bed late, dash forgot to dash and forgot to set an alarm. Yes students, in this sentence they have given the they have given the 3 blanks. Yes. So what you have to write? You have to fill those blanks with the suitable words. Since the day before yesterday was Diwali, I went to bed late and forgot to set an alarm. So they have given the three fill in the blanks. Yes, so you have to write that I and set an alarm. Yes. Next, teacher dash missed a whole day's work. You should make up for it. You missed a whole day's work. Teacher, what is the teacher first plan? You. Okay. You missed a whole day's work. You should make up for it. You. Yes, sir. We will do, sir. You. They have given the 2 plans. Yes, sir. Will do so. Okay, students. I hope you will write your blanks in your textbooks. I have written on the board. Yes. So let's listen. Next topic is let's learn grammar. What is our next topic? Next, let's learn grammar. Can and cannot. Can and cannot. Students, in previous videos we have learned the meaning of can and cannot. What is can? What is can? Can is a capacity that we can able to do. Yes. Cannot is that we don't have capacity to do that work. Yes or no? Can, we can able to do. Cannot, we can't able to do the work. We don't have the capacity to do the work. So read these sentences. Sachin can walk 7 kilometers without getting tired. Sachin can walk 7 kilometers without getting tired. The sadhu can live on fruits alone. Can in this sentence means to be able to, that is Sachin is able to walk 7 kilometers without getting tired. Just now I explained you that can is a capacity or able to. Yes. So Sachin can able to walk 7 kilometers because he has a capacity to walk without getting any tired. So ask a question beginning with can as in the example. Example. No, my friend cannot draw a crocodile. Can your friend draw a crocodile? No, my friend cannot draw a crocodile. Students, they have given in a page number 27, they have given the answers. Yes, they have given the answers. So what we have to do? We have to frame the question by using can. Yes. No, my friend cannot climb steep rocks. So how we should ask the question? Can your friend climb steep rocks? No, my cousin cannot swim in the sea. Can your cousin swim in the sea? No, my friend cannot ride a horse. Can your friend ride a horse? No, I cannot use a computer. Can you use a computer? No, my brother cannot cook Chinese food. Can your brother cook Chinese food? So, I have told you orally. So, what you have to do? You should write. This is your home task. In the end of the video, I will give you the home task. What you have to do? You should write in your classwork by seeing this answer. And they have given one example also. Students, this work should have to be done by you. Okay, next. Use cannot or be able to, whichever is correct in the blanks below. Okay students, now use cannot or be able to, whichever is correct. Okay, whichever is correct in the blanks below. So, if you have a textbook, take out the textbook page number 27. I'll read the sentences and I'll write the blanks. Then what you have to do, you should copy in your textbooks. Yes? What is the first one? The Govas or not right. We cannot eat them today. We cannot eat them today. We will, what next one? We will be able to eat them after govas are not ripe, we cannot eat them today. We will be able to eat them after 2 days. Ravi is 5 years old. He cannot read a long story, but in a few years he will be able to read long stories. It is raining. I cannot post this letter today. I will be able to post it tomorrow. Mrs. Lal has only 10 rupees. She cannot buy fruits for her family today. Tomorrow she will get her pay. Then she will be able to buy lots of nice things for them. Okay students, I hope you will copy in your classwork. So what is today's your